What's that look like?
We were pretty surprised when we first walked into the training center. We'd never seen this before. We didn't know this was here. And we were overwhelmed by just how well put together this place is, how large it is. The displays are amazing. The testing areas are great. This is easily the best demonstration of what Makita is and what they're coming out with and what they're capable of.
Really excited to be in front of you today. I have an action-packed day with you. Our accessory team has some game-changing innovations to talk to you about today. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce our new Makita MAKTRAK Modular Storage System.
We're at the Makita Power On event. The new products are super exciting.
Personally, I'm excited for the MAKTRAK. I think it's really versatile. It's really just adaptable for a lot of different people, and that's definitely what I'm most excited for.
I like the accessibility that the MAKTRAK has. Like, I do concrete, so I can put all my hand tools, like my hedgers, my mags, and my flashes.
It's been just a blast walking around, testing the things out, seeing the new stuff that Makita's bringing to market, and super excited.